Okay, let's take a look at another example for rational equation. So this time the given is 3 over a plus 2 over 3a is equals to 11 over 15. So let us solve this one. So our LCD for this one is 15a. So we already discussed in the previous lesson on how we can solve for the LCT. So we did not include it in our example. Okay, so 15a divided by a is 15 times 3, that is 45. Okay, plus, okay, 15a divided by 3a is equals to 5 times 2 is equals to 10 equals 15a divided by 15 is a times 11 is 11a. Okay, so by using the LCD, we simplified the terms. Okay, so next step is, okay, so we add the numbers. So 45 plus 10 is equals to 55 is equals to 11a. Okay, so katulad na sinabi ko ng mga una natin, for us to solve the value of the given variable, in this case, a. So, teka nga pala, napansin nyo, wala akong transpose dito because yung 45 at yung 10, pwede mo siyang i-combine as compared do sa isa kong example. Hindi mo siyang pag hindi mo siya pwedeng i-combine do sa kapartner niya, itinatranspose mo. Pero in this case, hindi mo siya tinatranspose kasi yung 45 at saka yung 10, ready na siya na i-add or i-subtract or kung ano man yung operation meron doon. So, this one, 11a, so di-divide natin siya kung ano ang katabi ng given variable. So, 11 divided by 11. Okay, kasi 11a ang nakadai dito. Okay, so, cancel. That will become a. 55 over 11 is 5. Okay, so let's do the checking. So this is the symbol for checking. So what do we do? Okay, we copy the equation. 3 over a plus 2 over a is equals to 11 over 15. Okay, sabi dito, the value of a is equals to 5. So, we will substitute the value of a with so 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 is equals to 11 over 15. Okay, so this is the given. Okay, teka nga pala, meron pala 3 dito, sorry. So, kung may 3 dito, so that will be 3 parenthesis times 5. Okay, take note of that. Sorry, medyo mahirap magsulat sa mouse. Okay, kasi may 3 dito times a, so 3 times 5. Okay, simplify it further. So, 3 over 5 plus 2, 3 times 5 is 15 equals to 11 over 15. Okay, target natin is itong nandito sa side na to ay 11 over 15. Tapos, dapat daw, ito, pag sinolve natin siya pababa, ang sagot niya is 11 over 15. So, we will have a separate solution for this one. So, sulat natin. 3 over 5 plus 2 over 15. Let us solve this one using the LCD. The LCD is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 15 divided by 15 is 1 times 2 is 2. Simplifying, the answer is 11 over 15. So therefore, equal siya doon sa right side. So this is correct. And the value of A, which is 5, is also correct. So that is our solution for this.